Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox blurry textures on PC. Blurry textures can really diminish your gaming experience, making the virtual world less immersive and enjoyable. We'll go over several straightforward steps to sharpen those visuals and bring clarity back to your gameplay. From adjusting in-game settings to ensuring your system is optimized, this guide will provide a comprehensive approach to getting your Roblox looking crisp and clear. Let's dive in and make those textures pop. First, let's tackle the in-game settings within Roblox itself. Open the game and head to the Settings menu. Look for the Graphics mode and Graphics quality options. Setting your graphics quality to a higher level is often the quickest way to improve texture clarity. You might need to experiment a little to find the perfect balance between visual fidelity and smooth performance for your specific computer. Remember, a higher setting usually means sharper textures, so don't be afraid to try it out. Next, it's crucial to ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers are a common culprit for visual glitches, including blurry textures. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, whether it's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your model. Additionally, close any unnecessary applications running in the background to free up system resources. This simple step can significantly improve your PC's performance and help Roblox render textures more clearly. Don't forget to check your power plan too. Finally, if you're still experiencing issues, consider some advanced troubleshooting. Clearing your Roblox cache can resolve corrupted data that might be causing blurry textures. If all else fails, a clean reinstallation of Roblox can often fix persistent problems. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable, as a poor connection can sometimes affect how quickly and clearly textures load. By following these steps and regularly maintaining your system, you'll enjoy a much sharper and more visually appealing Roblox experience. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.